big buildings there. Somebody said hello. I thought it sounded like you.
Huh. I just literally saw somebody who just... Maybe it was a mic bug, possibly. We did you have nothing on you?
Like, I don't have a gun or anything, no.
Oh, no, when you saw me.
I didn't see you.
Oh, okay,
Probably
okay.
wasn't you.
No,
The
it wasn't
guy
you.
was in the same building, or the different building.
Oh, yeah, he had no mic, and then I gave him some food, and he beat me up, but I slashed him up pretty good.
Nice, that wasn't me. That was
Okay,
not me.
no worries, man. What's your name? What's your name, buddy?
Oh, Chris. How you doing?
Nice to meet you, Chris. My name's John.
John?
Yeah, man.
Did you say John?
That's right.
Oh, okay, yeah. Nice to meet you. I need to get a fire going here pretty soon.
Sure.
Bye.
Are you heading south once you're gearing up?
Yeah, probably.
Okay. Do you want to team up, or are you waiting for anyone?
No, I don't. I just started like 10 minutes ago.
Okay, cool.
I don't have anybody that I know.
Yeah, sure. All right. If you want to go down south, I'll come with you if you want.
Yeah? Do you know the way?
Yeah.
I don't know the map very well.
Okay. Yeah, I mean, kind of. I'm learned most of it, but there's some parts I'm a little lost, but I'm not too bad.
Yeah, I can usually navigate with a compass and a map, but
I'm with you.
I generally know kind of where to go
Yeah, man.
to get south anyways.
I gotcha. Okay. I was going to find some more stuff.
Yeah, I need to find a gun, but I do have a little bit of food.
Oh, we can head into town and check the rooftops for the guns.
I heard a lot of shooting in town.
Yeah, it's very spicy in there. You just have to duck and dive, you know?
Like a ton of shots. And
Yeah.
I'm just like, I don't know who's shooting.
Yeah, you just gotta be quick in there, you know?
I know there's a small town, but I just can't remember what direction it's in.
Sure. Oh, you mean the outskirts? Is that what you're on about?
Yeah, I think that's what it's called, yeah.
Yeah. That's usually... I think it's
I think
the...
you can usually find a weapon there.
Yeah, it's usually the back of the school, I think. Off the top of my head. I could be wrong. Do you want to check the rooftops? In the town?
I was on one building. That was the two buildings. I found a little tiny bit of ammo, but no guns up there.
Okay. Well, we can go check and just be quick in and out. I think there's somebody over there. Oh no, he just aggroed on you. It's all good.
Yeah. Oh, it's good. He actually had a knife. I needed a knife.
Ah, sweet. Shit, where did that buddy go? Is that on me? It is. See if we can find him. Where'd he go? Yo, Chris, where are you? Maybe he went round this way. Oh, Oh, Jesus Christ, he's gonna shit on me.
Yeah,
Goddamn.
dog. Yeah. I said, hey, you didn't hear me. Then you come around the corner. He's like,
God.
"God damn it."
Oh shit. Get inside, Chris.
Got me. Got me good.
Oh shit. I'll get you up. Damn. You okay, buddy?
I gotta disinfect the rag here.
How many bleeds you got? You okay?
Ah, just one. I just
Oh,
got
okay.
my rags are dirty. I got some disinfectant here. Last thing I need is a dirty old wound infection.
I know, right? UN peacekeeper. Wait, what? Coho Warren, what's up? How you doing? Are you ready?
You want to go to the roof and check the top, or no?
I mean, you can if you want. I'm just gonna go check these ones over here.
Okay, yeah, I gotta light up the fire here.
Okay. Yeah, I need to find some food. Canned tuna, canned peaches, all of that. Oh, that backpack. Oh, is that dried powdered milk? Yeah, I'll take that as well. Cola. There we go. I'm finding a shit ton of food in here. I don't think this has been looted for a while. Working gloves. We've got gloves. We're good. Alright. Canned baked beans. Man, we are set. Got plenty of food. Just need guns. That's all we need. Go check the rooftops now. Brisket. Nice. Fucking frying pan. Fucking broom. Jesus. Oh. Blouse. Kitchen time. Oh, the fucking kitchen timer. What if I hate that fucking piece of shit. It doesn't do anything. So useless. Nobody ever uses that stuff. That was a pipe wrench. Have I got a weapon? Not really. Guess that'll do. I think we checked these earlier on, didn't we? Burlap sack. Nice. Did I have a rope on me? I don't think I do. Oh, Jesus. Is that Chris getting shot? It might be. Fuck. Where's he at? I don't know. I think he might have binned us off. I think he tried to bin us off earlier on. It's fine. We meet up with him again, sure. But if we don't, it's all good. No idea if he was hanging about or he wanted to go solo. It's all cool. Do you know what? I think it was this building, the... No, it wasn't this building. Oh, what we got here? Repeater. 357. Fuck. We don't really want this repeater.